Let's talk about the big political face-off that is slowly unfolding in the state of West Bengal over the violent attack on the NI team in East Midnapur's Bhupati Nagar. Now, yesterday is when the NI team was attacked in the early hours, in the wee hours, by a group of over 100 villagers when it was on its way back from Bhupati Nagar to Kolkata. The team, remember, was probing a 2022 bomb blast case, was in a car which was gherraud, bricks were pelted on it. The windshield of the car, in fact, also suffered a lot of damage, and an NI officer also sustained injuries in the entire episode. The case pertains to a bomb explosion that took place inside a house on 3rd December 2022, in which 3 people lost their lives. Last month, in fact, the NI summoned 8 TMC leaders in connection with the case. Before heading to Kolkata, the NI already made 2 arrests in the case. Their TMC leaders, Manobrata Jana and Balai Charan Mehti. East Midnapur police, remembers, now registered an FIR against NI officers over charges of molestation based on the complaint of the arrested accused and also TMC leader Manobrata Jana. Yesterday, West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee, in fact, blamed the NI for the attack and raised questions over the timing of their action. She also asked why did they have to carry out these searches at midnight. We first up listen in to the TMC Supremo, and then we talk about the latest stinging response that's come in from Prime Minister Narendra Modi.
যদি সবাইকে অ্যারেস্ট করে বিজেপি কি মনে করে সব বুথ এজেন্টকে অ্যারেস্ট করবে সব ভোট ম্যানেজারদের অ্যারেস্ট করবে পরে ভোটে জিতবে শূন্য শূন্য গুলি ছুটছে
দুজন তৃণমূল কর্মীকে অ্যারেস্ট করেছে আজকে
বলছি কি অধিকার আছে না এর শুধু বিজেপিকে সাপোর্ট দেওয়ার জন্য বিজেপি নোংরামি কেন করছে আমরা সারা পৃথিবীতে আওয়াজ তুলি
In fact, today the TMC also opened a fresh front against the NI. TMC leaders held a press conference and claimed that the Bhupati Nagar incident was planned by the BJP, which is in cahoots with the NI officers. Targeting NI officer Dr. Singh, TMC's Kunal Ghosh, in fact, released a few documents to show the visitors list of his rented house. TMC claims that in the month of March itself, a meeting took place between the BJP leader Jitendra Tiwari and NI officer Dhani Ram Singh, and a white packet was exchanged in this meeting, indicated that bribe was paid to the NI officer by the BJP leader Jitendra Tiwari in order to harass TMC leaders in Bengal. So this is the latest charge being leveled by the TMC against the BJP in the state. Listen in.
আমরা স্পষ্টভাবে অভিযোগ করছি যে একটি সাদা প্যাকেটে বিপুল অর্থের লেনদেন হয়েছে। আমরা তদন্ত চাইছি। আমরা পরিষ্কার বলছি পুলিশকে এর এফআইআর করতে হবে ডিআর সিং এর বিরুদ্ধে। ডিআর সিং এর বিরুদ্ধে এফআইআর করতে হবে, কারণ ইনি সম্পূর্ণ অনৈতিকভাবে এবং সেদিন প্যাকেটে টাকার লেনদেন হয়েছিল কিনা তদন্ত চাই। পুলিশকে তদন্ত করে দেখতে হবে যে এই ভিজিটার্স বুক, সেখানে ভিজিটার যে ঠিকানায় যাচ্ছেন আর এই লিজ রেন্ট, সেটা তার সত্যতা পুলিশ আরও একবার প্রমাণ করুক। তাদের দুজনের, অর্থাৎ ডিআর সিং, ধনরাম সিং এবং জিতেন তিওয়ারি, তাদের মোবাইল ফোনের লোকেশন প্রমাণ করা হোক, খতিয়ে দেখা হোক, তদন্তে আনা হোক। 2, ওই সময়টায় যতক্ষণ উনি ছিলেন 6:30 থেকে 7:22 সন্ধ্যাবেলা, সেই সময় এই দুজনের ফোন থেকে কোথায় কোথায় ফোন গেছে তার হদিশ পুলিশকে বার করতে হবে। কাদের সঙ্গে কথা বলেছে এত বড় চক্রান্তটা? আমাদের স্পষ্ট অভিযোগ যে এই ধনরাম সিং বিজেপির সঙ্গে হাত মিলিয়ে তৃণমূলের যারা কর্মী, বুথ নেতা, সাংগঠনিক নেতা, ভূপতিনগর আরো কয়েক জায়গায় বিপুল অর্থের বিনিময়ে, আমরা এনআইএ সব অফিসারকে দোষী বলছি না, কিন্তু এর মতো ধনরাম সিং এর মতো অফিসাররা তারা বিজেপির কাছ থেকে সাদা প্যাকেটে কি নিয়ে তারা তৃণমূলের কর্মীদের, অর্থাৎ এই যে এখন বলা হচ্ছে এনআইএ তল্লাশিতে যাচ্ছে, এনআইএ ধরে আনতে গেল, জনবিস্ফোরণে এনআইএর উপর হামলা। আরে এনআইএর অফিসার তো বিজেপির নেতার কাছ থেকে সাদা প্যাকেট থেকে কি নিচ্ছে তদন্ত করতে হবে।
Like I said, addressing a rally in Jalpaiguri, the Prime Minister in fact said that when agencies probe charges of corruption against TMC leaders, the TMC ends up orchestrating attacks on them. This, of course, an indirect reference to what happened with the NIA team and also the ED team in the month of January. Let's hear it from the Prime Minister.
TMC चाहती है कि उसके तोलाबाजों को, भ्रष्टाचारी नेताओं को आतंक का खुला लाइसेंस मिले। इसलिए जब केंद्र की जांच एजेंसियां आती है तो टीएमसी उन पर हमले करती है, औरों से करवाती है। टीएमसी कानून और संविधान को कुचलने वाली पार्टी है।
Let me quickly go across to Shreya joining us with more details. A lot of back and forth, Shreya, between the TMC and the BJP. On one hand, the TMC continues to maintain that agencies are being misused by the BJP, that, bribes are allegedly being paid to the NI officers so that they run after TMC leaders in the state of West Bengal. The Prime Minister says this is just an attempt on part of the TMC to stop the central agencies from doing their job.
Jana, of course, remember ever since yesterday the NIA officials were once again attacked in Bhupati Nagar of East Mednapur. We have seen this war of war between both the political parties, the TMC and the BJP. The BJP draws a line with that of Sandesh Khali, says this is another incident like that of Sandesh Khali, and it is the TMC hooligans who have come and attacked the central agencies and condemned this kind of attack on the central agencies. Now remember, as far as the TMC party is concerned, we have seen in fact Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee reacting to it, says that the NIA officials went at a wee hour of the night for this probe. They went without informing the police and says that no information was given to the police and the women were harassed. Now remember, one FIR has also been lodged and sections of molestation has been included. So far the TMC party is concerned, they say they have nothing to do with the attack on the NI officials. Rather, it was the villagers, it was the women who protested when they were harassed. On the other hand, we see that the BJP says it is the TMC party who keeps on doing this kind of attack on the central agencies. In fact, Prime Minister Modi raises the issue, says that after Sandesh Khali, again we see what has happened in Bhupati Nagar and TMC. This is how they protect their leaders. This is how TMC reacts to the central agencies. Also remember, today TMC have exposed, they have alleged that there was a bribe that was exchanged between BJP leaders and the NIA, and the central agencies
And the
are being
TMC
used
says they